And on top of this newscast, we're going to get you these pictures of a massive protest that were taking place in Shimla. This was over an alleged illegally constructed mosque. After the Himachal Assembly witnessed a face-off over the mosque, what we're getting to know is that these protests took place in Shimla, where locals allegedly said that they were seeking the demolition of the mosque. Let's play out some reports filed by our colleagues when these protests.
We are just showing you the visuals just because we have located the mosque, and we are showing you the visuals of the structure which is quoted as illegal by the locals. And behind me you can see, I request my camera person to kindly start from the building's ground floor. The ground floors with the green color wall is the ground floor which has, according to the locals, the information revealed that this has been the only ground floor, only one floor has been constructed in 1960s. And in fact after that there was no construction on the upper floors, but from last few years the upper floors 1, 2, 3 and 4 floors has been constructed illegally with the span of few years. So that turned out to be the major concern of the locals, and in fact the people started staying here, residing here from outside the state, and they started creating the situation, unrest situation for the locals, and that is the reason they have raised the issue with the government and with the municipal corporation regarding the illegal structure. So see, this is the newly built structures, only the bricks can be seen, otherwise the ground floor is full-fledged painted, the walls have been furnished well, but the upper structure, upper 4 floors are not completely furnished, they are not well painted, they are just under construction or just recently constructed. The windows are not having the mirrors, the window panes, and in fact the doors has not properly installed. Still the teens has been located on instead of the doors, in the place of the doors. So see, this is the entire structure. These are the 4 floors which are the root cause of that entire protest, and now the organizations and the locals has given the time of 2 days to the administration and to the government to decide the fate of this structure. So this building is the cause. This is the mosque, and in fact locals are themselves claiming that ground floor was constructed in 1960. They have seen it since years, since ages, and in fact after that, within span of few years, they started constructing these upper floors, due to which this cause of concern has been raised. And this is the all illegal structure which was raised by the people who were staying here. So this turned out to be the major concern. On one side, this illegal structure which was quoted by the locals is turning out to be the major concern, and they are demanding to demolish all the illegal floors constructed here in the local. And this is the Sanjoli area. This is the densely populated area which actually falls under the Kasumti Vidhan Sabha constituency, from where the MLA is Anirudh Singh, and he himself is the minister of this concerned department also. He said that investigation is needed.
Now let's tell you about the politics that's playing out over these protests that have taken place. You saw those visuals of that massive protest by locals who have claimed that there has been an illegal construction, because of which now there is an uproar. Now Himachal Pradesh Minister and Congress leader Anirudh Singh, who our colleague Amandeep also spoke about, he went ahead and alleged on the floor of the assembly yesterday that the mosque was constructed illegally. Right after he said that, he faced opposition from his own party MLAs. Now, speaking in the assembly, Singh demanded an investigation into the construction of the Sanjoli mosque in Shimla. He also highlighted the alleged illegal construction of the mosque, and this is what led to tensions in the area.
बिना परमिशन के इन्होंने काम शुरू किया 1950-60 जैसे बोले 2010 में शुरू आया सर, मेरे पास पूरा मैं रिकॉर्ड में यहाँ भी दूंगा सर। उसके बाद अवैध निर्माण किया गया, विवरण जो है वो उस टाइम जो है 110 स्क्वायर मीटर 2-250 स्क्वायर मीटर मैंने 2500 स्क्वायर फुट का जो है इलीगल कंस्ट्रक्शन करी गई। उसके बाद 2012 में पुनः सुनवाई हुई सर, उसके बाद भी ये लोग माने नहीं सर, अवैध कंस्ट्रक्शन चलता रहा। हाल ये है सर कि अगर कोई लोकल आदमी यहाँ पे अवैध कंस्ट्रक्शन करता है तो सेम डे जो है ढारा तोड़ जाता है उनका, शर्म की बात। इसके अतिरिक्त 2000 में सर पढ़ के भी बता रहा हूँ, इसके अतिरिक्त दिनांक 26/6/2013 को मामले की सुनवाई के प्रतिवादी में मस्जिद को एग्जिस्टिंग प्रपोज्ड प्लान्स को मांगा गया और उसमें त्रुटियां पाई गई हैं।
So there are leaders of the Congress itself who are questioning the statement made by the Congress leader on the floor of the House. Now, commenting on these protests against the mosque, Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu said that his government respects people from all communities and religions and that strict action will be taken against those who are taking law into their hands.
मस्जिद को लेकर अवैध मस्जिद निर्माण किस तरह से राज्य सरकार देख रही है, सरकार के मंत्री भी बीच में कूद गए हैं, वो भी अपने अपने बयान।
देखिए, कोई भी सरकार का मंत्री ने ऐसा बयान नहीं दिया होगा। प्रदेश में सभी नागरिक एक समान है। प्रदेश में सभी का धर्मों का सम्मान है और मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि जो भी कानून व्यवस्था को अपने हाथ में लेगा, हमारी सरकार कड़ाई से उसका पालन करेगी। कानून व्यवस्था को हाथ में लेने का किसी के पास कोई अधिकार नहीं है। क्या कारण रहे हैं कि क्यों ऐसी बात फैल रही है, इस पर हमने गहनता से विचार विमर्श किया। कल शहरी विकास मंत्री ने भी इस पर अपना बयान दिया है और किसी भी प्रकार की कोई भी ऐसी वारदात को हिमाचल प्रदेश में नहीं होने दिया जाएगा, क्योंकि हिमाचल प्रदेश में आने वाला हर एक नागरिक जो है वो कानून से भी बंधा है और हम सब हमारे जो यहाँ के साथी है वो भी कानून से बंधे हैं। इसलिए ये जो प्रोटेस्ट हो रहे हैं, ये एक प्रोटेस्ट उनका है, पीसफुली प्रोटेस्ट हो, वो हम उसका सम्मान करते हैं, लेकिन किसी भी प्रकार की कानून व्यवस्था को तोड़ने की इजाज़त, चाहे वो कोई
इमिग्रेंट्स की बात है, ये निश्चित तौर से एक चिंता का विषय है हिमाचल प्रदेश के लोगों के लिए कि बाहर से, खास करके उत्तर प्रदेश से कुछ समुदाय के लोग हिमाचल में आए हैं और यहाँ पे लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम्स भी उसमें क्रिएट हुई है, मगर पुलिस उसमें अपनी कार्रवाई कर रही है। मुख्यमंत्री जी ने सख्त आदेश जो है वो डीजीपी को और सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस को शिमला को दिए है।
Now, if you just heard what Vikramaditya Singh said, he said ये immigrants की बात है, उत्तर प्रदेश से कुछ लोग आए हैं. Now, that has added another layer to the already simmering situation. Then you have the AIMIM, that is Asaduddin Owaisi, who has waded in. He, in fact, posted on social media and asked, is Himachal being run by the Congress or by the BJP? Then he goes on to ask, there is only hatred in Himachal's Mohabbat ki dukaan. Then he says that in this video, he tweets a video of the minister whose comments in fact led to a flare-up, and he said that this minister of the Congress party is speaking the language of the Bharatiya Janata Party. The minister in question is also responding to Asaduddin Owaisi.
देखिए, सही को सही और गलत को गलत तो बोलना चाहिए, बात ये है। ओबीसी की बात उनकी अपनी सोच है, वो एक समुदाय के दम के ऊपर ही जो है अपना उनकी राजनीति जिंदा है और सबसे बड़े भाजपा की तो बी टीम है। वो सभी पूरे देश में जो है लोग जानते हैं कि वो भाजपा की जो है बी टीम है पूरे हिंदुस्तान में, तो मुझे उस बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ कहना नहीं है। उनकी अपनी सोच है, वो अपने स्टेट संभालें तो बेहतर रहेगा।
संजौली में एक छोटा सा लैंड स्पेस था जिसमें काफ़ी टाइम पहले किसी ने कब्ज़ा किया था और कब्ज़ा करते करते उसने कई मल्टी स्टोरी बिल्डिंग वहाँ पर बना दी। और जैसे इस माननीय सदन में आज पूरी जानकारी आई है कि माननीय मंत्री अनिरुद्ध सिंह जी ने कहा कि वो लैंड हिमाचल प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट की है। हैरानी की बात इस बात की है कि पीडब्ल्यूडी मिनिस्टर कह रहे हैं कि वो वक्फ बोर्ड की है और पंचायती राज मिनिस्टर कह रहे हैं कि हिमाचल प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट की है।
This is illegal mosque constructed by one community, and yesterday we raised this issue in the House also because the assembly session is on here in Himachal Pradesh. So we are asking government time and again that we should take actions, and strict action should be taken against those who have done this illegal construction there. There is a lot of confusion on this issue. Some people, Congress side, they are supporting it, and majority of them are supporting, and some people are not supporting. They are just saying here and there. They are not supporting this issue. I think everybody is asking, this is illegal construction. Illegal construction should be demolished. It should be, action should be taken against those who have done it.
Amandeep is joining us live, and Amandeep was covering the protest. Amandeep, the mosque that we are talking about and the construction of the mosque has been at the center of a controversy over the last few days in Himachal Pradesh. There have been 44 hearings in the courts that have already taken place regarding the alleged illegal construction. And a final decision hasn't been reached just yet. You were on the ground, you spoke to the people, in fact, a lot of them who were protesting. What led to the kind of flare-up that we saw some time back?
Well, Sagrika, the locals have complained several times to the administration, to the MC and to the government, including the police also, just because the illegal structure of the mosque and the people who were residing inside that illegal structure is a major concern of the locals. They are trying to create the unrest in the law and order situation in the area. That turned out to be the major concern. When the police, administration and MC has not taken any decision, has not taken any action regarding the complaints of the locals, so then they gathered and they started protested. And in fact, around a week back, the first protest was staged by the locals, and the MC has given them the time of 1 week that the fate of the structure of mosque will be decided within 1 week. And now again, the locals have gathered, they raised the voice just because their major concern is that number one, the illegal structure. Number two, that outside the migrants have started residing in the mosques and they have started teasing the girls, local girls. And the reason behind is that mosque is in the middle of the residential area. And the people who were staying around the mosque, they cannot come out in the night hours. That turned out to be the major concern, and in fact that turned to be the situation which has escalated now. And now the minister is saying that mosque is illegal, investigation is required. How much time a minister can take to check the legality of one single building? It is just a matter of few minutes. He can order the department to get the documents, the entire documents of that structure. Right. Either it's legal or illegal.
But
and even the chief minister is not
in the assembly that this is an illegal construction that led to protests from his own party members. The chief minister also, when he was asked a question about the comments made by the minister here who spoke about, the Congress minister who spoke about the illegal construction, he also said that nahi, unhone aisa kuch nahi kaha. What is also important is what Vikramaditya Singh said, Amandeep, because he said that there are immigrants and they are a matter of concern for the people of Himachal Pradesh, and then he went ahead and added that there are some communities who have come to Himachal Pradesh from outside, especially from the state of Uttar Pradesh. Who was Vikramaditya Singh talking about? What information does he have? And does this also corroborate the concerns raised by the locals in the area?
Well, absolutely, Sagrika. The point behind the statement of Vikramaditya and Anirudh Singh, who's a concerned minister to this department, is that they both are the locals. And in fact, they have elected representatives. Anirudh Singh, who's a concerned minister, he's MLA of Kasumti and Sanjauli. Some part of Sanjauli has fallen under his constituency also. So that is the reason. He knows inside out of his constituency and the locals as well. And locals are obviously complaining to their own MLAs regarding the activities of the outsider in their own town and city and the residential area. So that is the reason. Just because the ministers know that root cause of the entire issue is that migrants are trying to create the unrest in this in their own areas.
That there is a law and order concern over here. We have spoken about this multiple times. We have taken this issue to our elected representatives, and now there is a minister who himself has said in the Congress government, who himself has said that yes, there are illegal constructions there. Let's take you through another report filed by our colleagues who were on the ground when these protests broke out. The dramatic protests, hundreds had come out to raise their voice. What happened during the protest? What did the protesters say? Watch this report.
देवभूमि हिमाचल में मस्जिद का मामला जो है अब तूल पकड़ता जा रहा है। इस वक्त मैं शिमला के संजौली में हूँ, जहाँ पर अवैध मस्जिद का जो है वो तूल पकड़ता जा रहा है मामला, और यहीं पर जो है अवैध मस्जिद बनाई गई। इनका साफ तौर पे ये कहना है कि मस्जिद को जो है अवैध तरीके से बनाया गया, उसे हटाया जाए। मेरे साथ यहाँ पे जानते हैं क्या कहेंगे आप?
किस बारे में? नरेश जी।
क्या कहेंगे आप?
ये मस्जिद इलीगल बनी है, ये टूटनी चाहिए जी।
आप क्या कहेंगे?
ये मस्जिद क्लियर है। जब विधानसभा में क्वेश्चन लगा है उसमें क्लियर कट किया गया है कि मस्जिद अवैध है। अवैध का मतलब है डोमिलिश होनी चाहिए और उस पर तुरंत कार्रवाई हो। ये आज का जो एजिटेशन है ये इस ग्रुप को लेकर है कि जो समय
भारी संख्या में हिंदू संगठन के लोग जो हैं यहाँ पे जमा हुए हैं और आप देख सकते हैं भारी संख्या में यहाँ पे लोग जो है एक ही डिमांड इनकी है कि मस्जिद अवैध तरीके से बनाई गई है उसे जल्द से जल्द जो है ध्वस्त किया जाए। आप देख सकते हैं भारी संख्या में यहाँ पे लोग इकट्ठा हुए हैं और इनकी एक ही डिमांड है कि जल्द से जल्द मस्जिद को ध्वस्त किया जाए। आप देख सकते हैं भारी संख्या में, ये देखिए आप कितने सैकड़ों की हजारों की संख्या में लोग यहाँ पे जमा हुए हैं और सिर्फ एक ही डिमांड है कि मस्जिद को जल्द से जल्द हटाया जाए। आप देख सकते हैं और आपको ये भी दिखा देती हूँ कि यहाँ पर जिस तरह जो है मस्जिद का निर्माण यहाँ पे हुआ है तो काफी रुष्ट जो है हिंदू संगठन यहाँ पे काफी भारी संख्या में यहाँ पे जमा हुआ।
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence. To be a force for business that takes India to the world and the world to India. Creating pathways of self-reliance. To stand for progress, the planet and the people. Towards a future made perfect. And be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history. It's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.